I'm sending out this message because I'm participating in this thing called Movember. I don't know if you know about this. It started like years ago in Australia. Some dudes decided, yo, let's grow a mustache in November, and they called it Movember. And basically, I'm raising money so I could help in prostate cancer. And I'm wanting y'all to help me to raise some funds. Yo, you could give $1, you could give $5, you could give $500. That would be so legit, dude. That would be straight. That would be like mind blowing, you know. And yeah, so I got some picture. I'm gonna show you because I'm kind of late on the video, but it's been like 3 days. It's November 3rd right now, so yeah, that's 3 days. But I got some pictures to show you like how's it coming. As you can see, day 1, I ain't got no hair, y'all. No hair. Day 2, mustache is coming in nice, y'all. Coming in nice. Right now, this is where it's at, man. This is where it's at. Let me show you, alright? Not so bad, huh? Not so bad. It's pretty straight, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You gonna see this at the end of the month. I'm gonna be like, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Hey, yo, Papo! Papo, I know you ain't using my mustache trimmer, Papo. Yo, you better be using that on your mustache and nowhere else. I better not be finding no curlies up in there, dude. Alright? I better not find no curlies in there, Papo. I hate when he does that, man. I'm straight up finding curlies in my mustache trimmer all the time. That's nasty, yo. That's nasty. Anyway, yo, keep checking up, watching my progress. I know the ladies out there like this stash, yo. Yeah. Keep it real, y'all. Keep it real.